Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best reverse osmosis water filters that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the IceRing F7 GAC NSF certified 1-year replacement filter cartridge pack. Priced at $38.91, this filter pack is designed for most standard 5-stage reverse osmosis systems, making it an affordable yet comprehensive solution for maintaining your RO system. The pack includes 7 filters, 2 sediment filters, 2 granular activated carbon GAC filters, 2 carbon block CTO filters, and 1 post-carbon filter, ensuring thorough filtration of contaminants like chlorine, sediment, and odors. However, keep in mind that the RO membrane isn't included, so this pack is best suited for users who already have a functioning RO system and need a replacement filter set. The design of the filters is simple but effective, with individually wrapped components for easy replacement. The upgraded FT15 post-carbon filter features a push-fit quick connection, making installation a breeze even for first-timers. Performance-wise, this filter pack ensures clean, safe, and great-tasting water for up to a year. But it's important to replace them on schedule to maintain optimal water quality. While this doesn't offer the complete system functionality of other entries on our list, it's a smart buy for budget-conscious consumers looking to refresh their existing reverse osmosis setup without breaking the bank. Pros: affordable and well-rounded in terms of filtration. Cons: it lacks the RO membrane and isn't a standalone system. Ideal for those who need replacement filters for their existing 5-stage RO systems. At number 4, we've got the APEC Water Systems Filter Set ES High Capacity Replacement Pre-Filter Set. With a price tag of just $29.95, this is the true budget option on our list. Designed specifically for APEC's ROES 50, ROES pH 75, and ROES UV 75 models, this set includes 3 high-performance filters, a sediment filter, and 2 carbon block filters that work to remove dust, rust, chlorine, and unpleasant odors. This set is compatible with most standard-sized under-sink RO systems, making it a versatile choice for users looking to extend the life of their system without splurging. The build quality is solid despite its low price, with certified frustration-free packaging that ensures easy installation. Performance-wise, it effectively protects and prolongs the lifespan of your existing system, maintaining high water quality. However, it's important to note that this is a replacement filter set rather than a complete RO system, so it's ideal for users who already have an APEC Essence Series or similar system in place. The clear pros here are the value and compatibility. It's hard to beat this price for reliable filters. The downside? It's not a full system, so new users would need to first invest in an RO setup. If you're a current APEC user and need a quick, budget-friendly filter update, this is the perfect choice. Coming in at number 3 is the Express Water RO5DX Reverse Osmosis Filtration System. At $169.99, this 5-stage NSF certified system offers excellent performance and features that cater to those who want pure, healthy water straight from their faucet. This system is designed to reduce up to 99.99% of contaminants, including lead, chlorine, fluoride, PFAS, and heavy metals, making it one of the most thorough filtration systems on the market. It also includes a leak detection feature that automatically shuts off the water flow if moisture is detected, an invaluable safety addition. The build quality is impressive, with durable components and an environmentally friendly coconut carbon filter that enhances water taste. Its under-sink design is compact, and installation is straightforward, thanks to a user-friendly manual. Performance-wise, the system delivers up to 50 gallons per day, automatically refilling the tank with high-quality water without requiring manual intervention. However, it's slightly heavier than comparable models, weighing in at 31 pounds, which might complicate installation for some users. Overall, this is a strong mid-range option for families seeking reliable, high-capacity filtration. Pros include its advanced leak detection and comprehensive filtration capabilities. Cons? Slightly bulky and heavier than other systems in this price range, ideal for households prioritizing safety and water quality without exceeding a $200 budget. Sliding into second place is the Icebring RCC7K alkaline 6-stage reverse osmosis system at $233.90. This premium system goes above and beyond typical RO setups by incorporating a remineralization stage that restores healthy minerals and balances pH levels for optimal drinking water. It's NSF ANSI 58 and 372 certified, ensuring that both the materials and the filtration performance meet rigorous standards. The transparent first-stage filter housing makes monitoring contaminant buildup easy, so you'll never be caught off guard when it's time for a replacement. The patented top-mounted faucet design is a game-changer for installation, eliminating the hassle of working beneath the sink. With a production capacity of 75 gallons per day, this system is perfect for families who consume large amounts of filtered water daily. Performance-wise, it reduces contaminants like lead, chlorine, fluoride, and over 1,000 others, ensuring crystal clear, great-tasting water every time. The build quality is superior, with durable materials and a brushed nickel faucet that adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Pros include its remineralization feature and NSF certification, which make it a standout choice for health-conscious consumers. Cons: it's priced on the higher end and requires a bit of counter space for installation. This is the ideal system for families looking for premium filtration and enhanced water quality. Finally, at number 1, we have the APEC Water Systems ROES 50 Essence Series. Priced at $241.29, this WQA-certified 5-stage reverse osmosis system is the ultimate option for anyone seeking top-tier water filtration performance. Engineered with premium components, this system removes up to 99% of impurities, including arsenic, chlorine, lead, fluoride, and heavy metals, delivering crisp, refreshing water that rivals the taste of bottled options. Its long-lasting filters are designed to treat both tap and well water, making it... Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.